Yo, what is up guys? Today I want to show you how to get unlimited coins in Match Factory for free. This Match Factory hack is working perfectly for both Android and iOS devices, so take a look at this. This is my game, and as you guys can see right there, I got unlimited coins, lives, everything in the game is completely free and unlimited. And this Match Factory hack is very fast. It works instantly. As soon as you open the game, the hack starts working and it's very easy to use. I've been using this Match Factory mod for a while now, ever since the game got released, so if you guys want to know how to get this amazing Match Factory hack and mod working today, then keep watching until the end. Okay, so first thing you want to do guys is go into your settings and look for General, Background App Refresh, and make sure this option is turned on. Okay, so go back and look for battery, and make sure low power mode option is turned off, okay, like this. So that's if you're on iOS. If you're on Android, don't worry about that, just go ahead and open up your browser and type in this address. Okay, so that's the address, take a look at it. We just go there, and this site is pretty cool. It has many games that you can inject completely for free, so we just look for our game here. It says Match Factory hack, unlimited coins, tap there, tap start injection, and just like that guys, our Match Factory hack injection is going to start. It's very easy and fast to do this on this site. It only takes a couple seconds to complete the injection, so just wait a bit here until the injection finishes. And once the injection finishes there guys, it's going to ask you to complete some instructions on the next page, so just complete them. It's very easy, only takes a couple minutes. It's going to ask you to follow some instructions, download some apps, just do whatever it says there and you should be good to go. Okay, so that's how you get this amazing Match Factory hack and mod working today. Okay, so thank you all for watching and until next time.